All right, here's a quick overview on how to upload sheets to Printflow. So when you first start your shift every day, this will be the first thing you should do, only because it'll take several hours for it to complete. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna open up Printflow and open up two tabs. So one tab we're gonna go to Products, Finished Goods, and the other tab we're gonna go to Products, or sorry, we're gonna go to Graphics. And then from here, we're going to import sheets. So what we have is in Dropbox, um, I created a folder titled Printflow. So if you go to Dropbox and click on Printflow, you should see a 3Peak folder inside of Printflow. And what you're going to see is you're going to see finished sweatshirts and finished t-shirts, and then graphic sweatshirts and graphic t-shirts. So the finished sweatshirts are all these different Excel sheets, and the finished t-shirts are also these Excel sheets, and then same go with the graphic sweatshirts and the graphic t-shirts. So each day we're going to upload basically one of these sheets. So to start, the finished sweatshirts will be uploaded to the finished goods tab, and then the graphics tab, we're going to upload the graphic sweatshirts and the graphic t-shirts. So these two folders will be going into the finished goods section, and these two folders will be going into the graphic section. So to start, I'm going to click Import Items. I'm going to go to the Dropbox. I'm going to go to Printflow. And then since I'm in the finished goods section right now, I'm going, oops, what am I doing here? Let's see. Since I'm in the finished goods section right now, I am going to upload one of the finished SKUs. So it looks like this is, oops, gotta go to 3Peak first. So Printflow and then the 3Peak. And then inside 3Peak, we have finished sweatshirts, finished t-shirts. So I'll go to, we'll do the sweatshirts first. So I'll click on that. And we'll see there's 1 to 50K, 50 to 100K, and so on and so forth. Just start with the first one, double click it. And you're gonna see it's gonna start to upload, and you'll see it's like the number out of how many. And that's gonna go through to roughly 50,000. And then I'm gonna go over here to the graphics, click import, same thing, except instead of finished sweatshirts, I'm gonna go back to 3Peak. I'm gonna go to the graphic sweatshirts, do 1 to 50K. And those are gonna upload. So as these go, they should upload no problem. Occasionally, if your computer turns off or if like the internet connection is interrupted or something, this will freeze and it'll need to be started over. So one very important thing is when these are uploading each day, make sure your computer does not go to sleep, because if your computer goes to sleep, it'll stop uploading it. So then we'll just need to restart whatever sheet you were on to re-upload it. So if this is at like 28,000, for instance, out of 49,999, even if it's at 28,000 and your computer falls asleep, or if the internet's interrupted or something, we will need to just for the next day re-upload the same sheet, because it needs to get through all, roughly 50,000 SKUs before doing it. So then at the end of your shift, when this is done importing, which if it's done importing, you'll be able to see just by going to this page, and it should be kind of blank here. I think it says done importing when it finishes all 50,000 rows. And if it says like error or, like something timed out or something like that, or it's just frozen, that means the computer probably turned off or there's an error uploading it. And if that's the case, just upload the same file again the next day, since obviously something happened and just didn't upload all the way. However, at the end of the shift, if it does upload correctly and it shows, all done and whatnot for both of these, then we'll go to the Finder, we'll go to Dropbox, and I'm going to create a folder actually in here, just titled done. I'll do this for all the folders, and we'll just drag whatever's done into the done folder, and that's it. So then our goal is each day to upload one of these for the finished sweatshirts, and then upload one of them for the graphic sweatshirts. And then once these are done, we'll do the t-shirts, and we'll go and upload one of the t-shirts every day, and we'll upload one of the graphics every day. And yeah, that's it. Just do one a day. Make sure your computer doesn't fall asleep. So make sure the screen stays on while it's uploading. It should take 4 or 5 hours, and then start it right away. And then if there's an error, just re-upload the exact same image or the exact same Excel sheet. And then you'll probably see the graphic section we're at like 455, whereas this one we're at 405. So the graphic one does go a bit quicker because there are fewer lines in the Excel sheet to go. So normally the graphic one will finish before the finished one does, because this has more lines to upload. So yeah, let me know if you have any questions.